Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new 2022 Acura MDX.
A prestigious and luxurious design, it is the ultimate balance of performance, versatility, and innovative technology. This premium SUV is truly inspiring. Here are some of the highlights. 4th generation super handling all-wheel drive, 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, panoramic moonroof, ample cargo space with adjustable cargo floor, premium perforated leather interior with contrast stitching and piping, versatile seating for 7 passengers, heated and ventilated front seating, heads-up display and digital cockpit, ELS Studio 3D premium audio system, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now for a closer look at the MDX Platinum Elite. First, looking at this striking exterior, the lower and wider stance is aggressive and gives way to the sleek lines that start at the top of the grille and wrap around the entire vehicle. The sculpted design of the bodywork is enhanced by the longer hood, strong shoulders, and lower chrome trim. Acura's signature diamond pentagon grille is surrounded with chrome accents that complement these sporty 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels. MDX Platinum Elite package also features the Acura Watch suite of safety and driver assistance features, including blind spot information, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, road departure mitigation, traffic jam assist, lane keeping assist, low-speed braking control, and surround view camera system. Your MDX comes with a newly designed, sleek Acura key fob. By pressing the bi-directional key fob, you can activate the remote start feature. Keep your key fob in your pocket or your purse, and you'll get keyless access to any of the doors, including the rear doors and the tailgate. Plus, with Acura's walk-away auto lock system, you can automatically lock your doors and tailgate when you walk away from your vehicle, adding an element of convenience and peace of mind. Under the hood, we find a direct-injected 3.5-liter iVTEC V6 engine, capable of producing 290 horsepower and 267 foot-pounds of torque that is both powerful and efficient. The MDX features a new 10-speed automatic transmission, and together with Acura's 4th generation super handling all-wheel drive and an agile torque vectoring system, it makes for a comfortable and exhilarating driving experience. Wider wheels and tires create dynamic performance and a quiet, comfortable ride that is unfazed in any environment. Your wheels are engineered to stay planted firmly on the road, thanks to the double wishbone front suspension. The MDX also features enhanced braking capability with larger and thicker front brake rotors and a new electric brake booster to better withstand repeated hard stops without reduced performance. Customize your driving experience with the integrated dynamic system, where you can choose between normal, comfort, and spirited sport modes to suit your environment and driving style, or create your own individual drive mode. Once inside this quiet cockpit, this MDX gives you the ultimate sense of refined comfort with superb fit and finish, featuring leather-trimmed seating surfaces with contrast stitching, seat piping, and finished in genuine wood trim. The MDX is truly driver-focused with Acura's dual cockpit design, with all controls ergonomically within reach. The 16-way power-adjustable driver's seat and side mirrors that are linked to your profile by recognizing your key fob for a tailor-made driving experience. The memory drivers and front passenger seats are also heated and ventilated, along with a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. Letting in lots of light is this large panoramic moonroof with retractable sunshade. The rear passenger area is also steeped in luxury and functionality. The MDX has seating capacity for up to 7 passengers, and for the first time, there are multiple seating configurations for maximum flexibility. Just remove the center seat in the second row to reveal the smart slide captain's chairs that also make it easier to access the roomy third row. With the heated second row seats and USB ports in the second and third rows, the Platinum Elite is perfect for the carpooling executive or just loading up your family for that long road trip. The MDX has a technically advanced cockpit with this digital instrument display that is reconfigurable for a personalized experience. The heads-up display can project important driver information right here on the windshield in front of the driver to help keep your eyes on the road. The Platinum Elite even allows you to customize your interior ambient lighting with colors that suit your mood by using the iconic drive lighting modes inspired by racetracks and famous roadways from around the world. The MDX is also equipped with intelligent technology that will create shortcuts on the center screen based on user behavior, like most used functions and even history-based and genre-based music stations. Speaking of music, immerse yourself in the award-winning ELS Studio 3D premium audio system that's fed through 16 well-placed speakers. Keeping you charged up, the Platinum Elite features wireless charging and conveniently placed USB ports, including a pop-up USB-C port. Now, when it comes to being connected, wirelessly connect your phone and access your personal library of music or podcasts. The MDX also features Wi-Fi hotspot technology. In the Platinum Elite, you can also get the Cabin Talk in-car PA system feature that makes it easy to communicate with your passengers sitting in the rear. With advanced technology like this, it's important that the functions are intuitive and easy to operate. So interacting with your MDX is a breeze using Acura's innovative True Touchpad interface with handrest, with a reconfigured placement for ease of use. The sophisticated style continues to the rear of this MDX with powerful design elements, like the sleek LED taillights, shark fin antenna, roofline spoiler, and bold chrome exhaust finishers. The MDX is winter ready with the rear camera washer that will help keep your reverse camera clean from snow and salt. You can easily open the power tailgate with the convenient hands-free feature or by pressing the button on the key fob. The tailgate also features programmable height adjustment for convenience and so you don't accidentally hit anything. Boasting a generous amount of cargo space, the MDX features an adjustable cargo floor for maximum space and this reversible cargo lid that can be carpet or plastic, perfect for wet or dirty items. Fold down the second and third row seats for even more room. The cargo area is also illuminated with these bright LED lights that make loading and unloading at night much easier. Also, with walkaway auto lock enabled, the tailgate can be set to automatically close when you walk away. This next generation MDX is taking everything to the next level as the most premium, performance-focused, technologically sophisticated SUV in Acura history. MDX is available in 4 trims: MDX trim, Tech trim, A-Spec trim, Platinum Elite trim. It starts with our standard MDX, which includes things like the all-new chassis and double wishbone front suspension, panoramic moonroof, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, and Acura Watch. When it comes to power, all MDX will feature a 3.5-liter iVTEC V6 engine, giving you 290 horsepower and 267 foot-pounds of torque. Next, we move to the technology package, which adds Acura navigation system with 3D view, perforated leather trim seating, the ELS Studio premium audio system, hands-free access power tailgate, power folding side mirrors, parking sensors, and stunning 20-inch wheels. From there, we go to the A-Spec trim, which represents the apex of performance-focused design, gloss black accents, 20-inch shark gray wheels, premium leather with ultra suede trim, a flat-bottom steering wheel with paddle shifters, LED fog lights, and the ELS Studio 3D premium audio system with 16 speakers, including subwoofer.
Hello everyone. It's an honor to represent the Acura development team that worked with a lot of passion to bring you this all-new 4th generation MDX. As we defined our concept, we had a clear focus on taking MDX to a higher level, a true revolution that would invoke passion, excitement, and emotion never before raised by MDX.
In the first 10 seconds, when you look at a vehicle, you first notice the proportions, the stance of the vehicle. And we work very hard to have a tight upper cabin, low and wide body with a blunt front end and a very powerful image. We adapted the Acura form language, the Precision Concept form language, to an SUV, of course keeping the tough and powerful image that an SUV should have.
There's 3 key focus area in the interior, and one is the prestigious image, and second one is the modernized experience, and the third one is the captivating details. Focus number 1 is the prestigious image. This is expressed in the wide dual personal presence of the IP. And upper IP and lower IP is visually divided in the center. With the depression in the center of the top IP, it gives the separation, a visually separated image of the cabin. But the middle portion of the IP instrument panel is connecting driver and passenger side, which is creating spaciousness of the cockpit, which is going to lead to the commander view to the customer. Focus number 2 is the modernized experience, and this is expressed in the full new digital meter and 12.3-inch new center display. Focus number 3 is captivating details, and this is expressed in the precisely cut, sewn, and wrapped instrument and door pads, and exquisite details on the speaker grills, and beautiful kilted seat pattern, and beautiful wood grain on the decoration panels.
Welcome to the Carwstar channel. If you don't subscribe here on the channel and leave your like.